Hello there. So how to turn off crossplay in Black Ops 6. Now this is going to be a very interesting game. And for this one, let's turn off its crossplay. Let's go to the tutorial right now. Now for this one to work, you have to launch the Black Ops 6. If you're using your console or PC, just wait for the main menu to load. In here, go to the settings. From the main menu, press the appropriate button to open the settings. Usually the gear icon on the lower left section. Now step number 3, navigate to the account and network. Scroll over to the account and network application. You're gonna see in there crossplay under the online and network section. I think that should be in the very first section. And followed by turning off crossplay enabled. So as you can see on my screenshot there, there's gonna be crossplay and make sure this is gonna be turned off. So confirm any prompts if asked. For example, if there's gonna be a "Are you sure" button, so just click on yes and restart the game if needed. Sometimes you have to restart for other changes to apply. And that should do it.